Today's contact lens patients place heavy demands on their eyes due to long hours spent on digital devices. Like other contact lens patients, your astigmatic patients may also struggle with dryness, fluctuating vision, and halos and glare, especially in low light. To meet their unique needs, Bausch Lomb created a toric lens that combines MoistureSeal Technology, which helps lenses maintain 95% of their moisture for a full 16 hours, with optic-aligned design, which is engineered for stability and to help promote a successful first fit.
To provide stability and consistently clear vision, we knew we had to engineer an innovative toric design to match our unique material. Optic-aligned design was developed after extensively analyzing, testing, and optimizing numerous ballasting geometries until we identified the one that performed best with our Bausch Lomb ULTRA lens material. Another distinctive feature of Bausch Lomb ULTRA for astigmatism is spherical aberration control. Optimized across both axes, it helps to reduce halos and glare, which is especially important in low light conditions. Now let's take a closer look at the lens. The larger orientation mark measures rotational stability and assists patients with insertion. This marking is always at the 6 o'clock position of the lens. The smaller mark designates the axis of cylinder power.
In a clinical evaluation, your peers experience success with Bausch Lomb ULTRA for astigmatism, including speed of fitting, stability, and clear vision. Patients also experience success with Bausch Lomb ULTRA for astigmatism, agreeing that their contact lenses felt comfortable throughout the day, delivered consistently clear vision, and provided comfortable vision even when using digital devices and when driving at night. Prescribe your astigmatic patients a lens that delivers all-day comfort, stability, and consistently clear vision. Prescribe Bausch Lomb ULTRA for astigmatism.